okay. You're all right. It's okay. I'm just gonna move you into your big pond. I gotta make sure you don't hurt me and I don't hurt you, okay? It's gonna be all right. I'll be soft and easy. I promise. I've done this before. No need to worry. Oh guys, here we have hand down. Squeeze at the knees. Lift them up. Get your tape. Make sure you don't let go, obviously. Get it around a few times. And now you're safe, I'm safe, and we can continue to move you to your new house. Because summertime's approaching, and I want you to be able to get in and out without a problem. Okay? She is a big girl. Don't you worry yourself, mama. I got you. All right, Brad's Reptile World. He's got a lot of educational gators. This one's heavy. Oh. All right, mama. We're almost done. I got you, don't worry. Don't worry. Come on. It's okay. There you go. New spot. So you can get in, get out, enjoy the summer, baby.